The Realme 8 Pro comes with a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display made by Samsung, offering Full HD Plus resolution. It's a punch-hole screen housing a 16-megapixel fixed focus selfie camera with an aperture of f2.4. The Realme 8 Pro is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset featuring a 2.3 GHz octa-core processor. Now, Qualcomm had launched the Snapdragon 720G chipset last year in January 2020. This is the same 4G chipset that powers budget phones like the Poco M2 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro, Realme 7 Pro and others. The Realme 8 Pro comes in two RAM options, 6GB and 8GB. Both RAM variants come with 128GB of internal storage and support for up to 256GB microSD cards. Talking about the camera, the Realme 8 Pro comes with a quad camera module having a 108-megapixel Samsung HM2 primary sensor with autofocus and an aperture of f1.8. Other sensors include 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 2-megapixel macro and another 2-megapixel black and white sensors. There is 3x in-sensor zoom and support for 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. The phone runs Realme UI 2.0 interface based on Android 11 operating system. The device supports 50 watts super dart charge and is backed by a 4500 mAh battery that can be charged to 100% in under 50 minutes. The device comes in black and blue color options. Inside the box, you will get a 50 watt super dart charging adapter, a standard USB Type-C cable, a transparent soft case to protect your phone. The device comes with a headphone jack, but you won't get free earphones. It's a dual SIM smartphone and has two separate SIM card slots and one microSD card slot. So that's all about the new Realme